Okay, so here's the Alberg 30. I'm looking toward the hatch, and I've got a cushion sitting there. The cool thing is it's got some great old hardware. These old kerosene lamps on gimbals. Sorry. There are two of them. There's one on each side. Which is pretty good. We got these bronze opening ports. The surround here that they put in is rotten, will need to be replaced. Going around the top, this stuff is all just, look at this, just pulled away. These ports don't open, but they look like they're stainless. Looks pretty good. Okay, so moving down a little bit, we've got these various things, but they are so corroded now they don't open. That one doesn't open, at least. Let's see. I don't think any of them open. No. Nope. And you hear the crunching because this thing is a wreck. Look at this. They've got some problems with the wood. More stuff down here. But, so, wood issues, yes, lots of them. The old bilge hatch, the bilge, this floor, you can see these things are falling through. See that? This is falling through. Let's get out of here. Anyways, a disaster for the woodwork. Here's this. You know, it's just old plywood that really needs some updating. Stove area, which is now just a place I'm going to put stuff for right now. This looks like this is no longer any good. You know, some of these things don't work quite right. I haven't looked under here yet, but yeah, a little bit of a disaster. You know, this drawer right here is completely rotten. It's going to have to be redone. The head, I don't know what kind of head it is, but it's sitting on a piece of plywood that is that's about ready to come out. All the wood over here is pretty much rotten in these little cupboards. The original door, there was a bifold door here, and that appears to be missing. You see that? This floor here is rotten. Let's see. That's rotten. Up here doesn't look too bad, but it looks like it's replaced recently. I don't know with what. And we'll get up here in the V-berth to have a look. I don't know. But cool little features like this. You know, and these older lights, which I'll work on and update. And the wiring will be needed updated, but this is what we got going on right now. I don't know. These are all solid. For the most part, that's pretty good. So, let's see.